Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Summer and Acecraft. Summer and Acecraft is an S-tier pilot, famous for her devastating area of effect attacks and highly coveted by players. However, she's not part of the permanent roster, which is why you won't see her in the pilot menu unless you already own her. Summer is an event-exclusive character only obtainable during the special limited time banners. When her event is active, she typically appears in the beginner's gachapons with a lower drop rate, fitting for her S tier rarity. Outside of these events, she cannot be recruited in any way. So if you're aiming to add Summer to your team, the only way is to wait for your event banner to return and try your luck during that window. To prepare, it's smart to save up resources ahead of time since her banner doesn't come around often, and missing it could mean waiting months before she appears again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.